This problem is about workmen compensation reserve. Lavanya and Priya were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. Past journal entries for the following transaction at the time of dissolution of the firm. This is the problem from your sheet. First, workmen compensation reserve stood at rupees 1,50,000 in the balance sheet and there was no liability towards workmen compensation. Second, workmen compensation reserve stood at rupees 1,50,000 in the balance sheet and liability in respect of it was ascertained at rupees 90,000. Third, workmen compensation reserve stood at rupees 1,50,000 in the balance sheet and liability in respect of it was ascertained at rupees 1,50,000. Fourth, workmen compensation reserve stood at rupees 1,50,000 in the balance sheet and liability in respect of it was ascertained at rupees 2 lakhs. And the last, there was no workmen compensation reserve and the firm had to pay rupees 40,000 as compensation to the workers. Okay, so let's start. Let's start the problem. See the problem, they told us various conditions of workmen compensation reserve and we have to pass the journal entries here. See the first entry. In this problem, Lavanya and Priya are partners and their profit sharing ratio is 2:1. First, workmen compensation reserve stood at rupees 1,50,000 in the balance sheet and there was no liability towards workmen compensation. So, in the problem, in the given balance sheet, workmen compensation reserve is rupees 1,50,000 and in adjustment there is no liability or there is no claim of workmen compensation. Here, when there is no liability against workmen compensation reserve, the entire amount of workmen compensation reserve is to be credited to the capital accounts of partners in their profit sharing ratio. So, the journal entry will be, first journal entry, workmen compensation reserve account debit rupees 1,50,000 to Lavanya's capital account and to Priya's capital account. $1,50,000 amount is to be distributed between these two partners in the ratio of 2:1. So distribution will be 1,50,000. Here, narration, workmen compensation reserve transfer to partners capital account in their PSR, profit sharing ratio. Okay, so this entry is completed. Second entry now of second point. Workmen compensation reserve stood at rupees 1,50,000 in the balance sheet and the liability in respect of it was ascertained at rupees 90,000. See, in the balance sheet workmen compensation reserve is given rupees 1,50,000 and in adjustments they told us that liability in respect of workmen compensation was rupees 90,000. So here the liability is less than the amount of workmen compensation reserve given in the balance sheet. In this type or in this point, amount equal to liability of workmen compensation is to be credited to realization account and the remaining amount is to be distributed between the partners and credited to partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Okay, so here workmen compensation reserve is 1,50,000 and liability is 90,000. So we have to transfer rupees 90,000 to realization account, amount equal to liability, and the remaining amount is rupees 60,000. So remaining amount will be distributed between the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Okay, so in this case there will be two journal entries. So first will be A. We will transfer amount equal to liability to realization account. So workmen compensation reserve account debit rupees 90,000 to realization account $90,000. Narration amount equal to liability, amount equal to liability of workmen compensation is transferred to realization account. Okay, and now B. Now remaining amount, total workmen compensation reserve is rupees 1,50,000. Now remaining amount is 60,000. It will be distributed between the partners. So entry will be workmen compensation reserve account debit to Lavanya's capital account to Priya's capital account. $60,000 amount is to be distributed in the ratio of 2:1. So it will be 40,000 and 20,000. And narration, remaining amount, or we can say surplus amount, surplus workmen compensation reserve distributed or transferred, you can say surplus workmen compensation reserve distributed between the partners in profit sharing ratio. Okay, this will be the entry. Now third condition, see the third condition. Workmen compensation reserve stood at rupees 1,50,000 in the balance sheet, and liability in respect of it was as certain at rupees 1,50,000. In this case, the liability is equal to the amount of workmen compensation reserve. So the amount of workmen compensation reserve fully is credited to realization account. Okay. In second case, after distributing remaining amount, in the problem we have to pay the workmen compensation reserve when we pay liabilities. Okay, if you want we can pass here one more entry, that is C. In second case, first we have transferred workmen compensation reserve, that is amount equal to liability to realization account. Secondly, remaining workmen compensation reserve is distributed between the partners. Third entry, if you want to show here the payment of liability of workmen compensation reserve, in while solving the problem we will pay this liability with other liabilities. Pass this entry so that you can understand well. Realization account debit 90,000 liability paid to bank account or to cash bank account or to cash account rupees 90,000. Liability of workmen compensation paid. Okay, so this will be the entry in this case. In second case, if they told us to pass the journal entries for 3 or 4 marks, then we have to pass this entry. Otherwise, while solving you have to pay the liability, you know that very well. Now the third case. In third case, we have already studied that the compensation reserve and liability are same. In balance sheet, reserve is given rupees 1,50,000 and in adjustment liability of workmen compensation is given rupees 1,50,000. So we have to transfer all the reserve to the realization account, and afterwards we have to pay the liability. So first we will transfer all the reserve to realization account. So workmen compensation reserve account debit 1,50,000 to realization account 1,50,000. Workmen compensation reserve transferred to realization account. This will be the journal entry. We have transferred full workmen compensation reserve to realization account because the liability is equal to the amount of workmen compensation reserve. Okay. Now the entry B, that is the payment of liability. So B entry, let us pay the liability. The liability is equal to reserve means the liability is 1,50,000. So now we will pay this amount. So the entry will be like the last case, realization account debit rupees 1,50,000 to bank account 1,50,000. Okay. Narration will be the liability of workmen compensation paid. Okay. So we have completed the third case, and now the fourth case. See the problem. Workmen compensation reserve stood at rupees 1,50,000 in the balance sheet, and the liability in respect of it was as certain at rupees 2 lakhs. Here, see, the amount of liability is more than the amount of workmen compensation reserve. So in this entry, we have to transfer all the reserve to realization account, and while making the payment, we have to pay obviously all the liability. So there will be two entries in fourth case also. First will be of transferring workmen compensation reserve to realization account, and second is of payment of liability. So A, workmen compensation reserve account debit 1,50,000. We are transferring all the reserve to realization account 1,50,000. Okay. Workmen compensation reserve transferred to realization account. This will be the first entry. And now B entry. As the liability is rupees 2 lakhs, in dissolution we have to pay all the liabilities. So second entry will be payment of the liability of workmen compensation of rupees 2 lakhs. So the entry will be realization account debit 2 lakhs to bank account 2 lakhs payment of workmen compensation liability of workmen compensation should be written. Okay. So this will be the next entry in the fourth case. Now the fifth case, that is last case. See the fifth case. There was no workmen compensation reserve in the balance sheet, and firm had to pay rupees 40,000 as compensation to the workers. As there is no reserve, will not transfer anything in the balance in the realization account, and firm has to pay the liability of compensation, because in dissolution, even though it is not mentioned in the problem, we have to pay every liability. Okay, keep it in mind. So here only one entry will be passed, that is payment of workmen compensation, compensation of workers, that is workmen compensation 40,000. So entry will be realization account debit 40,000 to bank account 40,000. Narration: payment of liability of workmen compensation. This will be the workmen compensation. This will be the entry for last case. In this way, while solving the problem of dissolution and preparing ledger account, you have to think in this way about workmen compensation reserve. If there is no liability against workmen compensation, we will transfer all the reserve to partners capital account. In second case, if the amount of liability is less than workmen compensation reserve, the whole amount will be transferred to realization account, and excess amount will be distributed between the partners. Means 90,000 will be transferred, whole amount of liability, I mean to say, whole amount of liability is to be transferred to realization account, and excess amount will be distributed between the partners. In third case, the amount of liability is equal to workmen compensation. So in third case, we have to transfer workmen compensation reserve to realization account, and then we have to make the payment. In this way, you have to think while solving the ledger accounts. In fourth case, workmen compensation reserve is less and liability is more. In this case, we will transfer workmen compensation reserve to realization account, and then make the payment of liability. And in last case, there is no workmen compensation reserve in the problem, so we have to pay the liability of the firm, so the entry of payment of liability. Okay, in this way you have to solve if workmen compensation reserve is given in the problem. That's all.